Today I'll walk you through my honest experience using Drake software for tax preparation. Right off the bat, the interface is functional but noticeably dated. If you've used other modern platforms, like Pro Series or TaxSlayer Pro, you will immediately notice Drake's utilitarian approach. It doesn't rely on sleek visuals. It's built more for efficiency than aesthetics, which might appeal to seasoned preparers, but could feel overwhelming to new users. Once you log in, the dashboard presents client management, tax return modules, and tools in a dense, menu-driven layout. It isn't exactly intuitive. I found myself relying heavily on the help documentation during the first few sessions. The learning curve is real. However, once you get past the steep initial setup and navigation, Drake becomes a powerhouse. Drake's speed in processing complex returns is impressive. I tested it on individual, corporate, and partnership returns, and it handled all scenarios with minimal lag. The AutoCalc feature is fast and usually accurate, though you'll still want to verify figures manually, especially for edge cases. The built-in document manager and the secure file exchange features are strong positives. These tools let you collect, store, and manage client documents with minimal hassle. It's not as fluid as a cloud-based system like Canopy or Carbon, but it gets the job done. Integration with Gruntworks and other third-party services helps with document automation, though it's not seamless. The e-filing process is reliable, though not exactly user-friendly. It feels like an afterthought in terms of UX design. For multi-state or amended returns, things can get tricky. Customer support is responsive by phone, but less helpful through email. Expect long delays if you don't call. Pricing is competitive if you're processing a high volume of returns. For small firms or solo preparers, the upfront costs might seem steep. There's no per-return pricing unless you're using the pay-per-return model, which becomes expensive quickly. Many useful links you can find in the description. Another frustration is the customization options. While Drake offers robust tools, like the scheduler and time tracker, customizing reports or client communications feels clunky. There are limited templates, and modifying them requires navigating through outdated settings windows. Still, the depth of functionality is undeniable if you're willing to invest the time. Security-wise, Drake is compliant with IRS Pub 4557, offering multi-factor authentication and regular updates. That said, its desktop-based nature means you're responsible for your local network security unless you're using Drake hosted. Final verdict: Drake software isn't pretty, but it works, and works well, once you've mastered it. It's ideal for high-volume preparers and firms needing comprehensive tax tools, but not the best fit for tech-averse users or those wanting cloud-native simplicity. If you found this review helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps the channel grow and brings more in-depth content your way.